How to connect your GoDaddy domains with Odoo. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, we are going to be connecting our GoDaddy domain with Odoo. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and create an account on both GoDaddy and Odoo. And I already have an account. It's actually very simple. You can just simply go ahead and sign up with your Google account or email address. Totally depends on you. So next, you want to go ahead and get yourself a domain. So type the domain or name over here. So I just want a domain. I don't know. I just want a domain.com. That could be a domain, cool domain, right? And you can see right here that it is not available. And right here down below, you can see other domains as well. Like, for example, I want a domain.ai. That's, trending. I want a domain online, .shop, .live, .io. So these are all available, and you can see the other pricing of these domains as well. So some of them are cheap. We want a domain.com is available, and it's cheap as well for the first year with the 3-year term. So, keep that in mind. But yeah, you can go ahead and select any of these you want. So let's say we want this one. I am a domain.com. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. All right, come over here. Let's go ahead and click on make it yours. All right, looks good. Go ahead and view the cart. Full domain protection if you want that, or no domain protection. I don't want any domain protection. And down below, you can get a professional email with that as well, but I don't want that for now, so I'll just continue. And next, over here, you're going to go ahead and get that. So right now, as you can see, for the first 3 years, this is a 3-year term, and this is how much it's going to cost us. I don't actually want that, so I'll just, go back to the first year. Just want a 1 year. There we go. So it's going to cost me this amount of money to get myself a domain, right? So I already have a domain. I just wanted to show you how you can get one. So if I come over here, go to my products, this is the domain that I have, houseofburgers.store. I already have one. And over here, this is the domain. So now I'm going to connect it with my Odoo website. So we're going to come over here onto Odoo and sign up. Also pretty easy to sign up. Already have an account. So I'm going to go into the website section. You can see right here, click on the website section, and I believe I already have a website, and now I just want to connect it. So I'm going to click on start now. And here we go. So welcome to Odoo. So now we're building our website. It's pretty simple. You just add in your name of the website, select the template that you want or the theme, and then just simply click on the next button, and it's going to go ahead and finalize the website for you. I already had one, but I think I forgot to save it. That's why it's doing its thing again. And here is the website. So you can see right here, this is the website, site reporting, configuration. You can see right here, published or not. Activation, I thought I already did. Let me go ahead and activate my account, because you need to activate this before you do anything else. So once you have set up your website, let me just reload this page real quick. There we go. It's now activated. So now let's go ahead and click over here on the editor. And if we click on configuration, we can see right here, we've got domain name. We'll click on domain name, and I'll just select my website is ready. I've done all the editing and, reason, and use my own domain or get a new domain. I want to use my own domain, and here I'll paste in the domain name right here, create a domain name.com or houseofburgers.odoo.com regarding SL and HTTP. So since this is the domain name right here, it is called houseofburgers.store. Let me just check one more time. Yeah, houseofburgers.store. So I'll just add that over there. That is the domain name. Click on verify. So CNAME record's not pointing. And it should be good to go. It will take a little bit of time, but it should be good to go. So we've already sent the request over here. You can see right here. This is the domain name. It's connected, but it'll take some time to go ahead and verify it. You also need to add the DNS records as well in order to, go ahead and verify it. To do that, come over here onto GoDaddy, go into your domain, click on manage domains, right? And here, you're going to find DNS records over here on the left-hand side. Go to DNS records. Since this is the store, here you're going to add the DNS record. They haven't told us what to do, but you can see right here, it's not connected as of yet. So let's go ahead and click on connect. Hopefully we can go ahead and do that. So you also need to go ahead and get yourself a subscription or plan. Otherwise you can't, connect it. So make sure you go ahead and do that. So once you've done that, you can add your DNS records over here. So just simply click on add new record. They're going to give you the record type. So since it was CNAME over here, you can add your store name and .odoo.com over here, and then you can go ahead and TTL to, well, half an hour is fine, because then you can go ahead and reconnect it after half an hour if it didn't connect. And once it's done, it'll go ahead and send you a confirmation email and you'll be good to go. So this is how you do it. This is how you connect your GoDaddy domain name with Odoo. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.